guys, my name is Dom and welcome back to a brand new video on DomTalksTech. So a few weeks ago, a company called Divoom reached out to me and said and asked if I wanted to collaborate on a video with one of their Pixel Art speakers, and of course I said yes, absolutely. The products look really cool and I'd love to check it out and review it on the channel for you guys. So this would be perfect for a gift for someone, a birthday or on any special occasion, and it works really well and fits into every sort of desk setup. So without further ado, let's get started. Welcome back to the channel and hello to anyone who is joining us today. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the bell icon, as it really does help the channel and boost my videos for more people to see. There's so much coming out now, we've got so much tech in the coming weeks and months, so you really don't want to miss anything. Thanks guys, and I hope you really enjoy this video. The Pixel Art Speaker packs a really big punch for its very compact design and would look perfect on any kind of desk setup. It comes in 3 colours to match your aesthetic. We've got a blue version, which is the one I've got. We've got a black version and we've also got a pink version. So whatever your desk aesthetic looks like, there's a colour to match and suit you. Now the sound on the Pixel Art Speaker is really impressive for its size. It has very good bass. It has decent mids and it also has very clear highs as well. So it would do really well on filling any sort of room in your house and also leaving some volume left over, as it really does go quite loud on the speaker itself. So you can pair the speaker using Bluetooth, and the range for the Bluetooth is really quite impressive as well. But you can also put a micro SD card and load that up with songs and use your speaker that way as well. One thing that really surprised me when I first unboxed this product is its very solid build quality. It's built really well and feels like it's very durable for the future. It is plastic, but it's very, as I say, very durable and wouldn't break easily. So that's really quite impressive about the design as well. The keys on the front of the device are beautifully mechanical, really nice. I think they are blue switches, so they've got a very clicky feel to them, and they also light up so you can use your speaker in the dark, which is an added bonus as well. So this is just a quick test of the keyboard. You can hear the very clicky nature of it, which is perfect. Now another thing that really pleases me about the speaker is it actually has a USB-C port for charging, which is fantastic to see. We don't have any outdated micro USB for charging, so that is really good, and actually the battery lasts a long time as well, so you won't need to charge it up very often, which is good. The Pixel Art Speaker has an app on your phone which you can pair it with, and you can control obviously the Bluetooth. You use any sort of music streaming service that you use, Spotify, Apple Music, your usual music, wherever that may be. Anywhere, just connects via Bluetooth, and there's also an app you can use to change the pixel art, which is displayed on the actual device itself. That's available on iOS on the App Store and also Google Play, so you can download that and you can change the pixel art which is shown on the device. There is absolutely loads to choose from. People can upload their own design and you can pick one of those you want, or you can also make your own and you can design your own and use that on your Pixel Art Speaker as well, which is fantastic. So again, the functionality of this device is absolutely endless. Now the designs also have a feature where you can sync them up to music, which is brilliant because you can listen along to music, and the art on the Pixel display will also sync with the music and the beat of the music. And that's not it, there's so much stuff actually baked into the device as well. So there's some pretty cool preloaded games which you can play and use the arrow keys on the actual device to play those games. But there's also some utilities function as well. So we've got the alarm, we've got a timer, we've got a stopwatch, there's a counter, there's a decibel reader, and did I mention it also tells the time as well, so you've got the clock on the front as well. Jokes aside, this device really does pack a huge punch for its small compact design and fairly reasonable price point as well. So you do get a lot for your money, which is brilliant to see. really enjoyed using this device and testing it out. It is fantastic, and I would hugely recommend it to anyone, and I'll leave a link to the website in the description below, so you can go and check out the products. You can see the whole range of products that this company does. They do pixel art, which you can use a phone again to put your favourite picture on the actual pixel art frame. They've just got so much stuff on that website, so definitely check it out in the description and go and pick up your pixel art speaker now. As always, if you've got any questions, do let me know down in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. This has been a really fun video to film, and I hope you've enjoyed the intro as well, which is brand new to the channel. Thank you so much all for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.